happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello! Happy birthday sa aming pinaka kengkay o kingkoy o na aming Madam Angeline Lilipen. Mama.
Hi, Ate Angie. It's me, Wen. Happy birthday. God bless you and good health always. Bye. I love you, Ate.
Hi, Rehabim. Hello, everyone. Hi, guests. Today, I just want to greet a blessed happy birthday. Angie, happy birthday. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord give you strength and more power that comes from Him as you lead the Rahab team. And may the Lord bless you with a good health. Then He will always guide and protect you. Wishing you all the best, and I wish you all. God bless you and more years to celebrate. I love you, Angie. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Angie. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Chup, chup, chup.
Angie, happy birthday. It's your special day, golden birthday celebration. Hooray! Anyway, thank you sa pagiging magandang ehemplo mo sa amin as a sister in Christ. Salamat sa mabubuting mga gawa mo na pinapakita mo sa amin. So, ikaw yung magandang ehemplo bilang isang kaibigan, ate. At yun nga, maraming salamat kasi dahil doon, nakaka-inspired ka, promise. Salamat sa pagiging sweet. Ayun, yung lahat kaya mong pakisamahan. So, yun ang hinahanap ko sa isang tao. Or, syempre, marunong makisama sa lahat ng bagay. Thank you so much, ate, and wish you all the best and more blessings to come. God bless! Enjoy your day! See you! Love you! Mama chup chup! Mwah!
Genocide to show just how much we love you, and I'm sure they agree. It was perfectly on the half of one party the day you came to me. Happy birthday to yourself. Happy birthday.
Birthday, this is Angie. May the Lord bless you and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your 50th birthday, golden birthday. God bless you. Bye. Love you. And give you abundant life. I wish you, Ate Angie. I love you. Mwah. Love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, asawa ko. Sana marami pang kaarawan dumating sa iyo. Ingatan mo lagi ang iyong sarili sa pagtatrabaho. Papasalamat kami sa iyo. Lagi mo kami sinusuportahan. Ano mang pagsubok na dumating sa atin, kagapay natin ng Panginoon para manatiling maayos ang lahat. Ang pagsubok na dumarating, malagpasan natin. Mahal na mahal ka namin ang mga anak mo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Ingat ka palagi. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mama. Sana po ma-enjoy nyo po yung araw nyo ngayon. Thank you po sa paggagabay nyo sa aming magkakapatid. And thank you rin po sa pagiging best mother. Kahit malayo kayo sa amin, napaparamdam nyo po yung love mo, yung care mo at pag-aalala mo sa amin. Lagi ka po dyan mag-iingat, Mama. God bless you always po. I love you.
Happy birthday po, Ma. Nagpapasalamat nga po kami sa lahat ng binigay niyo po. At huwag po kayo papastress sa trabaho. Ingat po palagi. God bless po. Love you, Ma.